show you the toilet paper. We have toilet paper.
Look, Karen! I'm home, honey!
This is,
I think I hear the Karen.
you hear her?
Karen!
Let's try and get a closer look. It's dark.
Oh, look, Karen! Oh,
That's a hornet.
You know, let's just give McCarran her fucking food and leave.
Yeah, I'm not going through there.
Yeah, me neither.
That's a hornet's nest or something.
Oh, fuck that. Get your flashlight and look in the tube a little bit right there.
What's
Hold
in it?
down the fucking thing.
I don't want to go in there.
I'm not going through there.
What a waste of time. Anyways, thanks for watching.
No, you gotta go in there and look at the fucking tube above it. Oh my god.
You see the flashlight?
Your phone has one.
I don't have the flash on.
You'll be safe from the Karen.
I can't hear her. The sound usually bounces off her. Or her hair absorbs it.
There should be like a tube.
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah. Shine up into it.
That's like goo or something.
Yo, no, you can get like the camera right there. Like, you don't have to be right there, it's just the camera.
Yeah, I see it. It's like goo.
Fucking Karen's offering. Oh shit.
Karen's offering to us.
I touched it!
Karen's offering to us the goo. Anyways, thanks for watching.